Hello everyone, my name is DJ. I'm CEO of ACRO Biomedical company. Welcome to BioDigital 2021. It's a great honor for me to deliver this talk, the new era of tissue engineering and regenerative medicine. And our core business includes three parts: the tissue engineering, cell therapy, and organ engineering. And we apply a proprietary technology called supercritical CO2 extraction platform technology. We use this technology to remove the cells, fats, and non-collagenous protein from animal tissues and organs, and leave that nature collagen scaffold as biomaterial for tissue engineering and cell therapy and organ engineering. And as we all know that the global market for tissue engineering and regenerative medicine is moving very fast. The annual compound growth rate is 26.1%. The reason for this fast growing is because there is a severe global shortage of tissues and organs. So the tissue engineering become very important industry. And there are three key elements in tissue engineering and regenerative medicine: cells, scaffold, and signals. Our company is focused on the preparation of nature collagen scaffold from animal tissues and organs, and use that as biomaterial for human tissue engineering. Here is the illustration of our technology. We put the porcine tissues and organs into these supercritical CO2 extraction machines, and then came up with the biomaterial for all kinds of medical purpose. And the application is very wide. And currently you have 13 patents covered worldwide. And this is a piece of porcine skin, and you can see the dots of cells. But after supercritical CO2 runs through these tissues, all the cells has been completely removed. And if you check the structure under electron microscopy, you can see that the collagen structure remains intact after the process. And this is a minimally manipulated process. And the cost is only 1/10 of the traditional process. And it does not disrupt the nature collagen scaffold. No chemical solvent involved in the process. And it's bactericidal and viral inactivation process. And it is environmental friendly, and it can be applied to various tissues and organs. And it drastically reduces the immune response. This technology actually solved the problem of more than 60, 70 years problems in the traditional collagen-derived medical products. And so we recognize this technology as the holy grail technology for the biomaterial preparations. Here are the product pipelines we are developing. We have skin-derived, bone-derived, corneal-derived, artery, nerve, ureter-derived products, and organs like heart, liver, kidney, pancreas, brain-derived products. And here are some of the examples of the tissues and organ after the supercritical CO2 process: dermis, cancerous bone, cartilage, cornea, artery, nerve, ureter, heart, liver, and kidney, and all the collagen scaffold alignment and the mechanical strengths different from tissues to tissue and from organ to organs. So our ultimate goal is to use the porcine tissues and organ to regenerate our human tissues and organs from head to toes and from outside to inner organs like the heart, kidney, and livers. Here are some of the milestones. Our company was established in June 2014, and in September 16, we conduct the world's first canine corneal transplantation. And Later on, various regulatory approval from US FDA and Taiwan FDA, Singapore, Philippines, Vietnam has been approved. And here are some of the patents that are granted. We have 13 patents granted, worldwide patents, and there are 30 more patents that are pending. And I'll show you some of the product that is developed. These are the skin-derived products. We have collagen matrix powder, and a collagen membrane, and dermal filler, and also some of the wound care products and skin care products. And the application of the collagen matrix are very wide, and many other indications. And the bone-derived products, we grind the porcine bone into granule or cut it into a cube, a stripe, a wedged form, and a plug form. We also have this Lego bone graft that you can put them all together to form a lower jaw. And it was intended for oral cancer patients. When you have a large defect removed, you can simply just put the pieces together to fix that large defect. And we also have this putty form, and we have the cartilage graft for knee joint regenerations. And the orthopedic application has been approved by US, Taiwan, Singapore, Philippines, and Vietnam. And dental application has been approved by Taiwan FDA. Okay, and here are some of the product that's under development. The cornea, according to WHO, there are more than 20 million people suffer from corneal blindness, and we found that the eyeball of pigs are identical to human in size, and also the histological structure are identical to human cornea. So we purchased the eyeball and remove the cornea and go through our supercritical CO2 process, becomes a cellular porcine cornea, which is now ready for corneal transplantation. And we perform this pet dog penetrating keratoplasty. We remove the whole cornea and replace the intraocular lens and put our porcine decellularized cornea on top, and it went from blind to visible within just 1 month. So this is the world's first successful corneal transplantation on pet dog. And now this product is under human clinical trial in 4 medical centers in Taiwan. Hopefully we can get it done within this year, and next year we will get the regulatory approval to be used in the market. And this is a dermal filler, and it is the world's first particle form of dermal filler. The particle come from the decellularized dermis, and we put the various size of particles together with the collagen fiber into a prefilled syringe, and it's ready to be used for wrinkle injection. It will make people 20 years younger within 10 minutes. And each particle consists of this collagen scaffold. So the skin stem cells and fibroblasts can come into this structure to proliferate and secrete more extracellular matrix. As compared to this traditional fiber form of collagen, it will last much longer, and we predict that this product will occupy the huge share of the aesthetic microsurgery markets. And we perform the cell therapy on skins using our natural collagen scaffold with the mesenchymal stem cells, and we also put collagen graft with the chondrocytes for the knee joint regeneration cell therapy. This is the skin cell therapy. We can see that with the combination of the natural collagen scaffold, collagen matrix, and human mesenchymal stem cells, we can regenerate the skin with the epidermal, dermal layer, and also hair follicle structures. And for the cartilage graft, the cartilage is from porcine knee joint, and we decellularize it and combine with the PRP and chondrocyte together. We put it into the defect areas, and 1 month later, we can check on the histology. You can see the whole defect has been reconstructed with cartilage, and each lacunae have the chondrocyte inside. And if you look closer, this is the original cartilage area, and this is the graft area we put in. And you can see that both sides look exactly the same after 1 month. So this is probably the only way that we can regenerate the knee joint defect. And our ultimate goal is to do organ engineering. We intend to reconstruct heart, kidney, and liver inside animal and human. And what we do is to decellularize the heart, liver, and kidney, and then put this decellularized organ scaffold back into a live animal or eventually in human. And we can reconstruct the organs in vivo. And once it is fully reconstructed with functions, then it is ready for autologous organ transplantation. So this is what we did. We decellularized a rabbit heart and then become a decellularized organ scaffold. And we put it back into live rabbits and put it into the abdominal cavity and connect the blood circulations. You can see that the blood coming to this scaffold. And now the rabbit has been survived for 25 days. And we expect that this heart will be pumping within 3 months. So we'll be waiting to see the miracle happens. We are generating 1 rabbit with 2 hearts pumping at the same time. And eventually we will put the pig porcine heart back into humans to be regenerated in vivo. If that works, it will be ready for these patients' autologous heart transplantations. And the same idea can be applied on kidney and liver. Here are some of the appendix. This is the certificate, the FDA 510K, and colored Class 2 medical device from Taiwan FDA, and from Singapore, Philippines, Vietnam, and some awards that we have received in the past 6 years. And this is Discovery Channel come to feature the story of Barney, corneal transplantation. And you can check the video on YouTube. And we have signed licensing out the corneal product with the Australian company, ACRO Biomedical. And we also signed an exclusive distributorship with the Japan company, Marubeni. And we also have an agreement with Tri-Service General Hospital for a total solution with all the medical products we derived. And we were invited to speak in many different countries, Hong Kong and Tokyo, Termis, and also Johns Hopkins University, and Dalian, Xi'an, and Suzhou, and also Temple University in Philadelphia, and National Defense Medical Center, and Hangzhou, and also Bio 2019. And this is our slogan: we continue to make the impossible possible. Thank you, and hope that you can email me for any more questions, or if you have any ideas that we can collaborate in the future, please contact me. Thank you.